Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called lumens (XLM). To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. Today we will tell you important news about cryptocurrency Stellar. Privacy coins are surging. Will regulatory pressure stall their Stellar run? Recent weeks saw a massive surge of the so-called privacy coins prices, namely Monero, XMR, Dash, Zcash, ZEC, and Haven Protocol, XHV. As many other cryptocurrencies and the industry at large faced immense regulatory pressure amid the war in Ukraine, one narrative that began taking hold in the crypto space was the potential of such privacy-enhancing assets to provide investors a greater level of financial anonymity. But, can privacy coins deliver on Bitcoin's, BTC, original promise? A good month for privacy-focused assets. Over the past month, Monero has almost doubled its tally. With some minor oscillations, it rose from $134 on February 24 to over $200 on March 26. ZEC showed even more impressive dynamics, that hiked from $88 to $202 over the same period. Dash also pulled off a rally, if a bit more modest, from $83 to $128. One of the biggest winners appeared to be XHV, which has almost tripled its price from $1.60 to $4.20. Two main macro-level factors could underpin this sudden rise of privacy coins. The first one is the regulatory pressure building up around more mainstream cryptocurrencies due to the war in Ukraine, and the resulting suspicion is unsound as it is, that Russian elites can use crypto to circumvent the financial sanctions imposed on them. Another one is the executive order by United States President Joe Biden, which, in fact, doesn't bring any outright harm to the industry with its roadmap or reports that should eventually lead to a clear regulatory framework for digital assets in the US. Speaking to Cointelegraph, Justin Arenhofer from the Monero community suggested that the recent price surge has come from more family funds and individuals holding Monero as a hedge, and was spurred by recent market and political turmoil. A member of the Haven Protocol community, a hawk, tied XHV's price spike to an upcoming integration on Thorchain, which he called one of the most cutting-edge decentralized exchanges, DEXs, in all of crypto. Jack Gavigan, executive director of this Cash Foundation, said that the surge of privacy coins prices could be the result of Bitcoin price's strong dynamics. Privacy without compromises at the outset of the cryptocurrency movement. Anonymity was one of the core promises of Bitcoin and crypto at large. But, alongside industry maturing and gradually merging with the traditional financial markets, digital currencies have faced a demand from both institutional investors and regulatory bodies everywhere to comply with the Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) standards. This strips users of anonymity, at least at the point of withdrawal exchange operations on compliant platforms. As a series of high-profile enforcement actions in the US demonstrated, blockchain traceability also doesn't help those who wish to hide their financial operations. Privacy coins came about as a reaction to these compromises. Bitcoin has never been private. Ether has never been private. Tether has never been private, a hawk noted to Cointelegraph, explaining crypto developers' persistent drive to create truly private fungible cryptocurrencies. Given the tendencies toward corporate and government overreach, it's no surprise that such currencies have enjoyed heightened demand in recent years. The hawk added, "Why do you need a password for your bank account? For the same reason crypto users increasingly need privacy options. You don't want anyone to be able to see your entire financial history with the click of a few buttons. Just because you want your money and financial decisions to be private doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong." Arenhofer said that without privacy, each address and output have unique histories associated with them, losing digital money's key feature, fungibility. He commented, "This opens the door to mass surveillance and the assignment of proprietary risk scores to everyone's money, which in turn makes transparent assets non-fungible in practice." Gavigan, who himself wrote the regulatory and compliance brief for Zcash, doesn't see any major difference between privacy coins and traditional bank accounts in terms of KYC AML compliance. While the bank may not be able to see where you got the cash from, or what you spend it on after you withdraw it, they still know who you are, and they can assess whether your deposits withdrawals are normal for the type of customer you are. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar, XLM, a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023. XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025. XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. XLM rate prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, XLM is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish. XLM rate prediction 2028. The value of Stellar will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. XLM is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.86 by the end of 2028.